Automagic Content. Amy Harrop's Automagic Content. Automagic Content reveals easy magical methods to create and transform profitable content with free and low-cost automation tools. Transform and create loads of profitable content on virtual autopilot. Automagic Content is my very own researched collection of automated content creation and transformation tools. With the over-the-shoulder training and step-by-step examples, you can take any piece of content and transform it on autopilot. The Automagic Content in-depth training. Inside, you will tons of hard-hitting transformational content strategies embedded throughout these 100 pages. But don't let that scare you, because while the guide is in-depth, it's also filled with tons of step-by-step instructions that will help you get up to speed very quickly. You could even start implementing and mastering these strategies by this weekend. Every single iota of knowledge I have about profitable content transformation with automated tools is included. From leveraging Amazon content import strategies, tools that transform your content into multiple formats, plug-and-play templates that do the heavy lifting for you, and more. Absolutely nothing is left out. After going through this training, you'll have no excuse when it comes to creating tons of profitable content on the fly. The Automagic Content accompanying video training series. I've also taken the liberty to record a set of 5 training videos to go behind the scenes of the strategies and methods included inside of Automagic Content. Watch over my shoulder as I walk you through specific examples and strategies. While I realize that some people may want a guide that they can thumb through, consider this a boost for those who are more visual learners. This way you can get up and running quickly after watching these videos. Content Tools Spreadsheet. If you're looking for a specific tool, then you'll love this spreadsheet. I've organized all the tools inside of Automagic Content here and even categorized them for easy access. Just click and link, and off you go. Content recipes. You didn't think I'd leave your success to chance, did you? That's exactly why I'm creating this section for you. You'll have a powerful toolkit that shows you specifically how to apply Automagic Content with real-world content and examples. With these content recipes, I share exactly how to take a few pieces of commonly found content and transform them into multiple profit centers. Watch as I transform specific pieces of content step by step. These over-the-shoulder recipes will show you exactly what to do. No guessing needed. Content cheat sheet. Once you've gone through the guide, won't take you long. You'll most likely need a place to refer back to. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a mini cheat sheet of Automagic Content and included it with your investment today. This way, you can print it out and find exactly what you need when you need it in case you don't want to read through the guide over and over again. Amy Harrop's Automagic Content.